fucking screws though when I did, honestly.
Yeah.
Shouldn't have to buy any more for my projects around here.
For a while. I think those screws that he got right there, if I'm not mistaken, they were $38 or $33. Right, honey? Those screws were like 30-something dollars.
Shit, them shits were like 40.
Oh, yeah, 40.
$40 for this fucking little tub of screws.
From the Home Depot. And husband is using his DeWalt drill. He does really enjoy the DeWalt brand.
Oh, that's why. Shit, ain't nothing right there. Shit.